Local farmers work hard and they grow their crops and they bring them into the Ulu Co-op. The staff there processes them into shelf-stable, wonderful products, and then all of the waste that comes off of those, like the skins, the cores, the parts that are a little bit off, they all get loaded up into buckets and bins, and then they're brought and driven all the way here to Maʻona Community Garden, where we segregate the waste for either the hot composting bins, the thermophilics, or the worm composting bin. Then we add them to any one of our 16 hot composting bins or one large vermicomposting bin. Add paper waste, cardboard, shredded paper, paperboard, and then we layer that like lasagna. And the whole process from waste coming in to compost coming out is anywhere between 4 to 6 months. Then we take that compost and it goes to our gardeners here at Maʻona. It also goes to other local farmers to complete the cycle again so they can grow more food, and then they can take it to the co-op. It can be processed, and then the waste can come here and we go in a huge circle, a regenerative circle from start to finish.